Canva hack number 6. Let's add elements to our design. So you're scrolling through Canva's amazing elements and you come across a really great one, perfect for what you want on your project. If you click on the 3 dots at the top right of the element, you'll see further options. Things such as add to likes, add to folder, see more like this. But on occasion, you'll come across an element with an additional action listed. View collection. This is different from see more like this, because these elements have been specifically designed to go together. They've been created by the same artist, and they will all have the same look and feel to them. You can then use them for projects where you want the same theme running throughout, the same icons, or just the same designs. Note, they're also called sets.